Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video about the Disney Cruise Line Wishables series. So these recently came back up on Shop Disney, and so you knew I had to grab them. I am a big Disney Cruise Line fan. I've only been on one cruise when I was younger. Jackson has never been on a cruise, so it definitely is on our bucket list for very, very soon. Maybe like 2023, because we have a lot of trips planned next year, but they are adorable. Pretty sure they came out about October of 2019 from a couple of like the articles I read from the research I was doing to see when these were first released. I think it was around that time. But let's take a look and see which Wishables we can grab. So the Wishables that we could find are Pluto, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Daisy Duck. And they are all in their cruise line outfits, which makes them even cuter. There's not just one, but two Wishables that come out of the bag for this series. And I bet you can guess who they are. Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie. So let's take a look at our favorite girl first. It is Captain Minnie, who actually is going to be the captain of the new cruise ship called the Disney Wish that will be sailing in June of 2022. So that is Minnie. And Captain Mickey. So he has his captain outfit on, his little hat. He's ready to go. I was trying to look up to see if there were any chasers from this series. I'm not sure if there is or not. If you do know if this series has any chasers, most of them do. Leave a comment down below, and I have like all of my blue on to try and be like cruise liney today. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these bags open. If you've watched any of my previous Wishable unbaggings, you know that I don't like to open them from the top. I open them from the bottom. So let's get all 6 of these bags open for our unbagging. Let's do it. Our bags are ready to go now. I will say I definitely want Pluto, obviously, because we love dogs. And then it would be nice to have Daisy too, but I want all of them, obviously. Like, I have to complete my set. So, but I would really, really, really want Pluto. Alright, first bag. Let's feel it around. Let's see who we think this is. Ooh. This might be Daisy. I think I feel her bell. This might be Daisy. All right, let's pull out. It is! Yay! So this is Daisy. And she is winking in the bag. So I don't think this is a chaser. Some of the times it'll be the same, but they'll like be winking or have their eyes closed. But she does have her eye winking on the photo. So I think this is just the normal one. So here's Miss Daisy Duck. She is ready to set sail with all of her pals. Okay, bag number 2. I'm not gonna guess. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull. Awesome! We are 2 for 2. It is Donald. He is ready to go. I love his little hat. Look how cute that little fluff ball. And he is so excited that we have his girl Daisy, that they can go cruising together. Alright, so we have 2 down, 2 to go. Alright, ready? Pluto! Yes! We got him! Oh my gosh, he is adorable. Look at his little tongue. Oh, Pluto. I will go on the cruise with you any day. Look at his little hat he has, and his little tongue is like curled. Has a little bow tie in his ears. You're so cute. And his little tail. Pluto. I love Pluto. Guys, 3 for 3. Yes, that is so good. I'm pretty sure this video will go up after my Incredibles. So if you've watched my Incredibles unboxing or unbagging, like, you know how bad that one was. Whoosh. So you just never know. Alrighty, 3 bags left. We just need Goof. We just need Goofy. We just need Goofy. Goofy, 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 Goofy. Yes! Oh my gosh, 4 for 4. It's Goof. Yeah, you guys, look at him. His little ears. He has his hat just like Donald. Goofy. Yes. We got all of them. Oh my gosh, and I have 2 bags left. If those would be the chasers, I don't even know if there's chasers. Okay, we got them all. Dance party. Okay, ready? Let's see who we got. Okay, we got Donald again. That's okay. So now it's nice because if there are chasers, then hopefully I can trade Donald. Am I making too much noise? I can trade Donald for one of the chasers. All right. Ready, ready, ready. Can you go away? Can you come here? Can you come over here? Good, good. All right, who do you think it's gonna be, Case? Who do you think it's gonna be? Ready? Oh, it's another Pluto. It's Pluto again. It's your friend Pluto. Yeah, it's Pluto. So we got another Pluto. And he is so cute. And his tongue is actually down. I think this Pluto's tongue was just smushed in the bag. But look how cute Pluto is. Oh my goodness. He is a cutie. I just love him. Alrighty, so we have Mickey and Minnie. I'm going to try and hold all of them up. So we have Mickey and Minnie, Pluto, Goofy, Daisy, and Donald. It's very hard to hold all of these people. Look at them. Oh, we got them all. Oh my gosh, I am super, super excited. Now I just really need to find out if there's chasers for this series or not. So then I could trade my extra Pluto and my extra Donald for the chaser. Not sure if there is, but we have the whole gang. What are the chances? Oh my goodness. And we pulled them like in order. You guys, I think this was our best unbagging yet. Best one ever. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this unbagging of the Disney Cruise Line Wishables. Let me know down in the comments below which one your favorite is. I am definitely picking Pluto. He is just such a cutie, and we are definitely a doghouse. So yes, love us some Pluto. I hope you guys have a great rest of your magical day. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Lots of Disney vlogs headed your way. But I will see you real soon. Bye. Woohoo, that was awesome. Yeah.